Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Flautas are crispy fried rolled up tacos. This is my vegetarian version of the popular Mexican appetizer. To begin, knead the dough for the tortillas. In a large bowl, take 1 cup whole wheat flour and 1 cup all-purpose flour. Add a teaspoon of salt and knead it into a soft dough. Generally, cornmeal is used, but I prefer this version. Keep it aside to rest. The dough makes about 12 flautas. In the meantime, prepare the salsa. Add together 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium tomato chopped, half a cup red, green and yellow bell peppers chopped, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cumin powder jeera, 2 teaspoons Mexican seasoning, half a teaspoon chili flakes and 2 teaspoons garlic powder. Mix well and keep aside. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions. Roll them out into thin rotis. Cook the tortillas on a hot tawa or griddle. Keep aside. To assemble, place the tortilla on a flat surface. Add a portion of the salsa. Top it with some red kidney beans and grated cheese. Roll it up tightly. And use a toothpick to set it in place. Prepare the other flautas similarly. Heat oil in a pan. Shallow fry the flautas on both sides until golden and crisp. The spicy Mexican flautas are ready to serve. Serve hot with a salsa dip. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.